Welcome everybody. Sort of changing schedule this week. I'm going to see how it goes and see if it gets more views or less views or the same views. But I'm going to do toys on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Legos on Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm going to stick with the wheeled weekends just so everybody knows what's going on this week. But that's my plan. I'm going to say I'll give that a couple of weeks, see how it goes, and I say may go back to the old way and may try something new after that. But we'll see. But today we've got Firefly, the Cobra Saboteur. Got virtually no details on the back. I can't remember he was second or third gen. He does have the swivel arms, and I do remember there was only 3 Cobras in the first gen, and that sort of if you did the mail-in and got Cobra Commander. He's the expert in all NATO and Warsaw explosives. I don't have any of his, gear, but little is known about him, even from Cobra Commander, just paid to a Swiss bank account. Got his grenades and pouches there, and of course his other, probably detonators or something over here, and sidearm there. I always liked these guys, they always, I collected the Joes, but I always thought the Cobras looked cool because they all look like ninjas. So I always liked all the masked guys because I always thought they were, they just, Storm Shadow and Snake Eyes and this guy. And I say most of the Cobra people had some sort of identity obscuring detail. So, I thought that was neat. But otherwise, without any gear, I don't have anything else to really say about him. His hips are borderline, so I'll probably replace those. But I won't do it on video. I've got another one this week that I'm going to have to do on video, so I'll do that then. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.